Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Joy Tatel. I'm 33 years old. I'm married to Dionis Tupas Jr. I have one daughter. I have no experience in working abroad, but as a housewife, I know everything about household chores. I've been work in sales lady before when I was single, and now I'm just focusing on my own little canteen at home in the province and just attending my daughter's needs.
Okay, so this is the first time that you want to go in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then you also been experienced working as a sales lady, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so where are you working before as a sales lady?
I've been worked before in Jurbo when I was after I didn't finish my college level. I worked there as a 6 months contract only.
Okay, and then now what are you doing now?
Now I have my own small business. It's a canteen in our province. I manage that, and I cook it personally.
Okay, so in a day, how much you can earn when you're doing a small canteen?
I earn 500 a day, ma'am.
So meaning to say 500 a day is not fully enough with your family.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you